Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. The high-tech interior style represents the cutting edge of modern design, embracing the latest advancements in technology and integrating them seamlessly into the living space. Inspired by the fast-paced digital age, this style focuses on functionality, innovation, and a minimalist aesthetic, creating a sleek and futuristic ambience. The key elements that define a high-tech interior include clean lines, geometric shapes, and a neutral color palette. White, gray, and black form the foundation, with occasional pops of bold colors or metallic accents to add visual interest. The emphasis is on creating a clutter-free and organized environment, allowing the technology and design to take center stage. In a high-tech interior, smart technology is integrated throughout the space to enhance convenience and efficiency. Automated systems control lighting, temperature, and entertainment, allowing residents to manage their environment with ease. Smart home devices, such as voice-controlled assistants and remote-controlled gadgets, further elevate the modern living experience. Furniture in a high-tech interior is often characterized by its sleek and minimalist design. Multifunctional pieces, such as modular sofas or storage solutions with integrated charging stations, optimize space and add versatility to the room. Transparent or reflective surfaces, like glass or acrylic, add to the futuristic look and create a sense of openness. Lighting plays a vital role in a high-tech interior, serving both functional and aesthetic purposes. LED lighting with adjustable color temperatures allows for customized illumination, creating different moods and atmospheres. Recessed lighting, track lighting, and pendant lights with contemporary designs contribute to the overall sleek and clean look. Materials in a high-tech interior often consist of advanced and innovative finishes. Glass, stainless steel, and glossy surfaces are commonly used, reflecting light and adding to the modern appeal. High-quality synthetic materials like acrylic or polycarbonate are utilized to achieve the desired minimalist look. Incorporating high-tech gadgets and entertainment systems is a hallmark of this style. Flat-screen televisions, sound systems, and gaming consoles can be discreetly integrated into the design, ensuring a seamless blend of technology and aesthetics. Hidden storage solutions and cable management systems keep the space organized and uncluttered. Artwork and decorative elements in a high-tech interior are often minimal and contemporary. Abstract art, digital prints, or geometric sculptures can be displayed as focal points, adding an artistic touch that complements the overall theme. A few carefully selected decorative pieces, such as metallic vases or tech-inspired wall art, can enhance the futuristic ambience. In conclusion, a high-tech interior style embraces the advancements of the digital age, creating a sleek, minimalist, and efficient living space. The integration O. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!